Hello, my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cheese and onion omelette. Okay, so there we have our cheese and onion omelette. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the video. It's free of charge and it just lets people see more videos. Right, you're going to cut some half moon onions. That's how I prefer to do it. You could dice them, but I prefer the half moons. So you just want to get a hot pan and melt a small amount of butter. I prefer butter rather than oil. And while you're waiting for your butter to melt, just crack open 3 eggs. Give them a mix. Once your butter is melted, you fry your onions. Now I love my onions, so I put in half an onion, but it's up to you what you decide. If you wanted to do mushrooms, then you can cook your mushrooms with the onions. Or if you don't want onions, just cook the mushrooms, or you could cook a bit of chicken. You can cook some peppers, whatever it is that you want to put in your omelette. And do leave a comment below what you'd like in yours. It's nice to have a few tomatoes in here, maybe. Right, now once you've cooked whatever it is you're going to be putting in your omelette, put your 3 eggs in. And then kind of lean your pan to one side to get it all the way around. And to that egg mixture, make sure you put a bit of salt and pepper in. And just let this cook on a nice slow heat. If you put the heat too high, it's not going to cook properly in the middle. So a nice low heat. Right, and you can see when it's just starting to cook nicely, you put a bit of cheese on half of your omelette. There's about 45 grams of cheese here. And then what you want to do is just put this under the grill. So as you can see, with putting it under the grill, it just cooks the top of it nicely. And then what you want to do is just flip that half over. The half that's not got the cheese on, you want to flip that over to the side with the cheese. And you can either serve it like that, or you can flip it one more time, like that. And you serve it onto your plate. And then that would be nice with some homemade chips or homemade wedgies. And then you would just sprinkle perhaps a little bit of parsley. So there you have our nice cheese and onion omelette. So I'm going to just have a taste of this now. See that lovely cheese melted coming through it. Okay, so I'm just going to have a bit of this delicious omelette. It really looks lovely. Very nice. Well, I hope you enjoy yours. And if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the video. It's free of charge. Thank you for watching the video with Lifestyle with Sharon on how to make a cheese and onion omelette.